My friends, it's very simple to find the oxidation state of this manganese for this particular compound wey they call potassium permanganate. How you wan take do am? First, remember wetin dem say make you find. If you no remember, you go just dey do mistake, dey solve anything wey dem no ask you. The one wey dem no send you, na you go wan do. You know say wetin dem say make you do now na to find the oxidation state of manganese. Now, what I want to do now, I want write the symbol of this guy. But if you no sabi the symbol, aya wahala dey. The symbol for manganese na M subscript N like this. M subscript N. You see am well? If you no see am well, make I write am well. Because you need to see am well. Na M subscript N. Na im be the symbol for this manganese. Now, wetin be the question? Make you find the oxidation state of manganese in potassium permanganate. Let me say make you find the oxidation state of this manganese. Wetin be the oxidation state? We no know. So wetin you go first do be say you say let the oxidation state of manganese be X. As I say make it be X, let me say anywhere I see this symbol Mn, M subscript N, I go replace am with X. You know me say you no go fit solve am with this one without bringing this X matter. You know, so I don do video before where I don solve am directly. If you never see the video, just watch, check up here, you see that video. Go watch am later. So that particular video, I no change anything to X. I use am like that, solve, get my answer. In another pattern now they show you. If you say let the oxidation state of this manganese be X. Now if it be X now, what you go fit do? If you no sabi the compound, you no sabi write this compound out. You don't enter one chance. So potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. The symbol na K, capital letter K. Remember say manganese go dey inside. Mn, then you can't get this one, maybe O4. But this one, and what they call potassium permanganate. They can't say make you find the oxidation state of manganese. Make you find this guy. You see this guy now, we can represent am with X. That means in place of this guy now, we go dey replace am with X. And when we find X, can't get the value of X, na im be for the manganese. Let me say we don't finish am. Make you do am quick. I will show you step by step. Now for this one now, you go ask yourself, what be the oxidation state of potassium? Now +1. Don't forget that one. I always tell you. So if potassium, we won't begin solve with this one when we get here. One solve. If potassium now, from this formula where we get like this, we get potassium as +1, yeah, plus, now add, you go add, plus X. Remember say, we don't talk now, say, let the oxidation state of manganese be X. So in place of this one, now I put this X, plus this one, oxygen, you get subscript 4. Let me say I will put them for bracket because now two things there, and two of them go multiply. So what will be the oxidation state of oxygen? The manganese one we don't know, now we put an X. The potassium on 9 be +1. What will be the one of this oxygen? Note, put them down. Say the oxidation state of oxygen in most states now -2. The oxidation state of oxygen in most states now -2. Except the exception we get now, if na peroxide, then the oxidation state of oxygen for that kind of case will be -1. We just note say the oxidation state of oxygen in most states, like for this particular compound now, the oxidation state of oxygen here now -2. So I will use that -2 multiply by this subscript 4. Remember say this 4 only affect this guy. This 4 no affect this 2. Now make I use this oxidation state multiply by this one to get this one. Equal to waiting. If to say this particular compound where you see here now gets ion for up here. If na minus, it will be -1. If na -3, it will be -3. But if na +2, it will be +2. But as you no see anything for up here, it means say you go equate am to 0. Shey you understand? How you want to get your final answer? It's simple now. -4, -2 times 4 should be na -8. Abi? If na -8, which you can do? You can say this plus 1 plus x minus, because plus minus will give you minus. 2 times 4 na 8 equal to 0. So what will be the last thing we will do? We don't almost finish now. Now just to add 4, 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 na wetin? And minus 7 abi. So if as e dey like this, you no like am, you could just tell yourself, say, okay, x we no know. 1 come dey follow x drag. 1 come say, oh yeah, now since na me we wan go add for this one, no be you, because you no go fit add with this person. Shift come this side and make me come this side. So x now no get option, and you go agree, because if you no agree, na 8 go join hand with 1 beat am. So now you make 1 come say, okay, as e be like that, now make I replace your position, make you come this side. You just do small shift. So x come say, yeah, make I mount here. 1 come take in position, minus 8 equal to 0. So that if you quickly work on this one, 1 minus 8 give you minus 7. So you can't get here to be. Make I carry and go up. Oh, we get that as x minus 7 equal to 0. So to get the final answer, x say wan stay alone because na him wey define, wey we define, because him na him dey represent this manganese, abi. So x say wan stay alone. So 7 say, okay, say him wan comot na, as e be like that. So 7 come say, I wan take comot, because only I no go fit comot. X come say make him jump go the other side now. Minus 7 come say, I wan take jump. Say I no fit jump now, I no get leg to carry jump. He say make him fly, he say he no get wings. Say make him cross, he say him leg no get. He come say, now he come suggest say make him go call +7. So +7 come. If you bring that +7 no go just come for only this side, you go come for the both sides. So we come add 7 to both sides. Why? Because we want to remove -7. So you can see -7 plus 7 now 0. 2 of them don't go. So 0 plus 7 no be 7. You can't get x equal to +7. If you not like them, if you do the way they do them, where you say -7 go cross the sign of equality to become +7, then x is equal to now your choice. So from here, I don't say we don't get the final answer now. You can say therefore, the oxidation state of manganese will be this Mn in this compound will be KMnO₄ is +7. Let me the final answer. After I explain everything for this particular place, you no get wahala with this. And I know say you enjoy this particular video. Maybe you don't like by now. You don't subscribe. Already you don't subscribe. If you don't subscribe, just like them, share them, and drop sweet comment for me. Now only way I ask from you with that too. I dey bring more question come. So stay for this channel. Peace out.